What's the meaning of andante? Andante. 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 Andante.
Andante is an Italian musical term that indicates a moderate speed and tempo in music. It comes from the word andare, which means to go. Andante is typically slower than allegro but faster than adagio. The music played at andante tempo has a light and flowing character, and it is often used to create a peaceful and serene atmosphere. The pace of andante music is usually around 76 to 108 beats per minute, depending on the specific musical style or composition. Overall, andante is a musical term that refers to a moderate and smooth tempo that conveys a sense of movement and flow.